Gentle moisturizing coconut oils to smooth, soften, seal. Help nourish, cleanse, condition, style your curly hair. With shampoos, conditioners as well as co-washes. The package weight of the product is 8 ounces. Bella Curls Coconut Water Replenishing Treatment Mist. Infuses nutrient-rich coconut water into your curly hair to provide deep repair, moisture replenishment, enhanced curl shine. For all curl types. Get on the go curl definition with just a spritz. Complex sugar protein molecules are the building blocks to keep your curls moisturized, shiny, defined all day long. Our formulas help you support your naturally curly hair by using gentle moisturizing coconut oils to smooth, soften, seal. No sulfates, phthalate or parabens. Top reviews from the United States. Works great, smells wonderful. The leave-in coconut water mist I've been using for years is no longer available. I had to find a new brand. Based on the reviews I read, I decided to try Bella Curls Coconut Water Replenishing Treatment. To those who wrote a review that led me to try Bella, I thank you all. I love this mist. It's water and dispenses in a mist. 2 to 3 pumps worth sufficiently covers my thick, shoulder-length hair and doesn't weigh it down. Enhances my natural waves while helping to prevent frizz. Does an excellent job of detangling. And boy, does it smell fantastic. I will definitely purchase this mist again.